Yeah, so my name is Paul Essen. I'm the founder of Paul versus the Market, and as you said, the Freedom Portfolio is what I've called my portfolio. I don't really have any kind of interesting superhero origin story when it comes to investing. I have been investing for almost 20 years, and I had a family friend who, at the time, was kind of dabbling in stocks, and he said, "You might want to check this out." And so I started investing a little bit. It took me a while to kind of find my legs to figure out what kind of investor I wanted to be. At times, I thought I was a contrarian investor, a value investor. I've made pretty much all the mistakes that anybody can make over the years. And for a while, my returns were very inconsistent, very erratic. And then at one point, I found the Motley Fool and actually worked at the Fool for a couple of years. And I found it reignited my passion for investing, and it really focused me on a new style of investing. And I'm very much an admirer of David Gardner's rule-breaking philosophy and the Motley Fool in general about finding high-quality, innovative, and disruptive companies that have a lot of optionality and sticking with those companies over the long term, even when they look ridiculously overpriced, because investing is all about the future, right? It's not about how it's done in the past, it's where it's going in the future. And a company that's overpriced today could be underpriced a year from now. And winners keep on winning. And there's, in a more general sense, I'm kind of an optimist in humanity, and that innovation continues moving forward, technology continues moving forward, and so there'll continue to be this disruptive creation and innovation. And I like to try and be a part of those companies whenever I can.
Nice. I love that. A few things you said in your sort of introduction that kind of resonated with me. I want to talk about it. One is just believing in the future of innovation and how the humanity is moving forward, which is such an important fact. Tend to get bogged down with the daily fluctuations in the market and this boom and bust cycles, that it's difficult to understand that we're investing in the future of humanity as a whole. When you invest in innovation, it's about investing in the future of humanity. And if we believe humans are moving forward, so there are companies that are pushing the humanity forward. So it's so cool to be able to kind of invest in them and kind of go along the journey. That's one. I appreciate you having that strategy.